How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get a fake hickey. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. To get a fake hickey anywhere on your body, all you have to do is use a water bottle. That is right. I recommend a 500 milliliter water bottle or a 1 liter bottle. Now, what you're going to do is to push the air out of the bottle. So you know how when the bottle is empty and you crush it, that's pushing all the air out of the bottle. So just squeeze all the air out of the bottle. The more air you push out of it, the more suction you will have. You then want to put it on your neck, you guys, and hold it for about 30 seconds. This will create a suction around your neck. This will give you a fake hickey, you guys. So I'll show you guys what I mean by this. So let's just say I had a bottle here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze it first. Once it's squeezed, I'm going to hold it. Now what you're going to do is then stick it on your neck. And then what you're going to do is you're going to release. So you're going to release the bottle like this, and then you're just going to hold this on your neck for about 30 seconds, you guys. And just, we'll do this for example. So again, bottle here, squeeze the air, no air in it, put the suction on your neck, let it go, make sure it's still against your neck. Again, it can be on your chest, your neck, your shoulder, wherever you want to get the hickey, the fake hickey. Put it on your neck, hold it there for 30 seconds. Once the 30 seconds is up, release it. You will have a hickey on your neck, your chest, wherever you want to get the fake hickey. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to make videos on this, so I thought I would make a video on this. I will put a link in the description box for items that will help you get rid of or help you get a fake hickey as well. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.